take the shot 3 times. And you just have to insert a thread on the eye of the needle. Ganun lang naman kasimple, guys. 2 steps lang. Pero thrice yung gagawin yung first step. Alright? So each guys here will be given 3 shots. Alright, so 3 shots each for each of our bachelor. And the bachelor who will be able to shoot the thread on the eye of the needle will win a prize. This is literally a prize. Don't worry guys, may prize talaga to. Alright, so you will win a prize. So all you need to do is take the 3 shots, insert the thread on that little eye, and you will win a prize. Kailangan makita namin na nakasuksok talaga yung thread ha. Kailangan yung needle na yung thread na yung hawak nyo. Yan. To make sure na nakasuksok yung needle doon sa thread. Alright guys. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we have supposedly 30 shots here. Yeah. So each bachelor will be given 1 needle and 1 piece of thread that you have to insert on the eye of the needle. Yan. So kung paano pinili sa inyo, kailangan ganun yung magawa. Nakasuot dapat yung sinulid doon sa karayo. So syempre tatanggalin natin yan ngayon. For you to be able to do the challenge. So again, take the shot first, thrice, and saka kayo magsusuot ng sinulid sa karayo. Maliwanag ba guys? Sige, bilangin natin. Pero here in equal tayo. Sakto, 30 nga talaga yung ating shots. So, it is now time to take the shots guys before you insert the thread on the eye of the needle. Sige, pwede na kayo closer to the table, please. Closer. Again, thrice yung gagawin ko. Our bride and groom will keep an eye on all of you. And you may start. Now, go! 3 shots, guys. So 3 shots before you insert the thread on the eye of the needle. Once we're done with the 3 shots, you may now start inserting the thread on the eye of the needle. Kung sino ang unang makapagsuksok niyan will win a prize from our bride and groom. Just raise your hand together with the needle and the thread that we have inserted, and they will be our winner for our game. Go guys. May tik-tik pa oh. May tik-tik pa yung sa bachelor. Tingnan natin kung magiging effective yung tik-tik na yan. Wow! Congratulations! You already have a winner! Naninilig pa yan. Parang walang epekto yung tingin niyang 3 shots. Naka-3 shots ba? Naka-3 shots. What's your name?
Ian.
Ian! Congratulations, Ian! Please stay here with our coordinators. So first, yan, dito muna kayo. And thank you so much to all of our guys here. Tingnan tayo pa din ito. Sige, kayo yan. Pwede nyo dalhin sa upuan nyo. Sige, pwede nyo dalhin yan. Wow! Yeah. Alright, so ladies, it is now time for all the ladies to please come here, right in the middle. Please form in line as well.
Naglaro-laro.
So, for our winning bachelor, please go to our coordinators first.
Nag-aamok na.
Alright, so let's ask the name of our ladies. Kilalagin muna natin sila. And how are you related to the bride and the groom? What's your name? Sarah. Sarah, are you a friend or a relative of either the bride or the groom? Friends/colleague. Ah, pa-slash. Yeah. What's your name? Mikey. And Mikey, how are you related to Paulo and Ian? Friend. Since college din ba? Alright, so sipit ng damit ang inyong kokolektahin. So you just have to collect as many clothespin as you can. May mga nakalagay na sipit ng damit sa damit ni Ian. And to make it exciting, syempre, hindi nyo dapat malaman kung saan nakalagay. Agad-agad, we will be giving you blindfolds. So please put on the blindfolds to our beautiful bachelorettes. Sige po, pakilagay na ang ating mga blindfold. Sino? Si Lord? Special request si Lord. Special request. Okay lang ba, Lord? Sige, ayan. So ladies, please put on the blindfold bago namin ilabas si Ian. Ayan. Palalaminin namin siya sa inyo. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Kayo pala, palalaminin namin kayo kay Ian. So bawal manila, no cheating, ladies. Please face in front para makita na ating mga audience na tama at okay na ang pagkakalagay ng inyong blindfold. So, coordinators, our ladies here are now ready. So may we have Ian, please. Alright, so again, ladies, we have a lot of clothespin on the suit and the pants. Yes, the pants and the suit of our winning bachelor. So all you need to do is to collect as many clothespin as you can. The lady with the most clothespin that has been collected will win a prize from our bride and groom. So slowly, yan, diretso lang. Yung nasa harapan mo si Ian. Yeah, baba mo na ang kamay. Pinalo. Okay. So masaya to kasi medyo kulang yung space. Sige, face to your left.
Ayan, nakaano yan eh. Naka-upgrade yun. Naka-upgrade ba?
Alright. So we can insert the ladies. And one more lady here. Alright. Bigger circle tayo, ladies. Alright. So sabi ni Ian, easy daw, ladies. Take it easy. Clothespin lang ang kukunin ninyo, walang iba. Alright? So, ladies, again, collect as many clothespin as you can, and you may start now. Go! Sige, collect na ninyo pa. Paramihan ang makuhang sipin sa damit ni Ian. Sino na ang may pinakamaraming nakuha? Meron pa ba? May nakikita pa ba tayo? Pupusta ka naman. Alright, stop!
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Kuya Andrew. Now let's listen to the message from the sister of the groom. May we call on Ate Trish or Mrs. Patricia Marie Roque Martinez. Palakpakan din po natin.
Actually, we did not prepare any speech because supposedly si Mommy yung magsa-speech kaso baka daw maglupasayo siya sa kakain. Anyway, mag-short kwento na lang po about my brother. When we were young, si Pao, super clingy yan sa akin. Pagising niya, tatawagin niya na ako agad, Ate, ate! Can you imagine him calling me ate, ate nung maliit pa siya? Tapos, when we grew up, eventually, parang hindi na rin kami masyado close because, of course, marami na kami ginagawa sa life namin. But then, when he met Ian, doon ko na-realize na super serious talaga siya kay Ian because he was always asking for my advice. Every time, yung mga little things about them, he would ask me, Ate, what should I give Ian? Or, do you think she would like this? Or, can you help me pick out something for Ian? So, ganun siya towards Ian. And when he told me na parang he wanted to propose na, tapos plan niya sa Korea trip nila, I was super happy for them because Pao became a better person because of Ian. Ian makes Pao very happy. So, super, um, but I'm super happy for them because they found each other. And then, what else can sige, may ano na lang ako, simple message for you. So, even when we grow old, I will still be here for you. Even if Ian is older than me, I can still be your ate. And I love you both.
Ay, congrats. Advice ko lang is, siguro always put God in the center of your relationship. And Ian, pagpipiliin mo siya nung isang kayo ka para hindi kayo ka. That's all.
Alright, thank you so much to Mr. and Mrs. Tristan and Patricia Martinez, of course, the sister and brother-in-law of Pao. So for our next message, this will be coming from the parents of our bride and groom. So let's start off with the parents of the bride, Mr. and Mrs. Bartolome and Maria Luisa Ramos. Alright, sige po, tayo na lang po kayo.
First of all, good evening to all. First of all, I would like to officially welcome Pao to the family. I'd also like to welcome relatives and friends of both families. And thank you all for being here, especially those of you who have traveled from a long way. We are very glad and thankful to you that you were able to join us in this very important occasion in the life of Pao and our beloved daughter, Ian Carla. I'd like to leave the new couple with some words of advice as they enter into this new next stage of their lives together. I would like to remind you, Pao, that Carla is a very sensitive girl, and you should consider the way you raised her. We love her, and you should equal the way we love her from birth until the time you won her. This is a reminder to you as our son and partner of Gia in the way of building a solid future together as a couple. that your love for each other grows stronger every day. Over the years, take care of each other always. Again, thank you to all of you and enjoy the evening.
We are thankful for joining us in this occasion, which is very important for the movement. We are hopeful that your presence now will be a good foundation for the two to establish a beautiful future life as a couple. And this is what I have to say to Paul. Maria Giancarla is a mother's daughter, so I'm advising